Well, 2024 already close and,
Yep.
very happy. Whatever we make plan, starting of 2024, inshallah, we did very nicely.
Yeah.
So whatever we have planned to add new customers and we provide very best service and we change so many rules. Finally, we submit all the things very nicely in this 2024. And as we discussed with our colleague about upcoming 225,
Yep.
yeah, inshallah, our plan is very clear. We have some changing, and we have followed very nicely. And we wish all our customers, whoever stay with us in 2024, inshallah, very best customers and some like family members, very close members. And we wish all of them a happy new year 2025.
Yep.
And inshallah, we work together and we have very clear vision. Okay, upcoming year we have lot of things new and inshallah we try always best to provide you best services and keep together as some like family and close friend. Yeah, this is the message for our new customers and for 2025. Yeah, inshallah.
Number one. Very good. Very good.
So, mashallah, we are here, like our super sales team and Mr. Umar, our content boss, our CEO here. So mainly like whatever we plan, not like 2025 start, then we start planning. 2025, whatever we need to plan already we did in before 6 months to 8 months, like 2024. So this is how we are active and from as we know 2024 we face some like issues from our customer side little, then some we have you can call the worldwide we have some difficulty because some country we here have war issues, so that's why in 2024 little tough, but from our side mashallah as we get good training from our CEO, so we close very nicely like whatever he give us plan, and we're not only by talking because we do in action.
Yeah.
So that mashallah this is what we are, this is what name we give to our company, and this all credit go to like our CEO and our management, and whatever we did for our customers mashallah they know very well. We are fully 100% honest to our customer, loyal, and no way like zigzag for any one person no have chance in this company whoever work. So very clear message in 2025 for all our old customer or maybe whatever we add in new customers, because mainly we are giving the three messages to our customers. First, we are very straight, we not make any cheating or any like hiding to customer, whatever we talk 100% right and it's truth. Second, our policy for old customer is very clear. From our management side we get some chance to maintain our like big customers whoever with us long time, fully 100% trust, we support by any chance to our customers. So this is number two message. Number three, mashallah we have the latest technology and you can call latest product. Every 2-3 months we have some new upcoming like technology things. So this is all like by our management team. So I will wish inshallah in future 2025 we will give more good service to our customers, and our many new policy, new product upcoming inshallah in 2025. So this is all by time by time customer can see.
We finished 2024 on a high rank. This is not by talking, this is a plan, preparation and the execution which is done by our CEO and our team. The planning of our CEO coming on our table, then we execute through our customers, to our suppliers, and the clear message for our new customers for 2025, if they are continue with us for the first time, they will definitely not leave to us because we are ahead of the market, we are ahead of the time, because what market thing we bring, we are thinking before 6 months. So this is a basic point and this is a main thing that's why we are increasing yearly by yearly. So this is a very big message for our new customers, and the old one they are relaxed for us because we have a very good policy for our special old and regular customers. Which policy we execute, this is not just on the product, this is just the time duration. What the time demand, we bring that policy, and that policy or even any policy, it's working 110%. We are much professional than the market. So message is clear, and the Happy New Year for our all members, Tobys.
Well, I am very thankful to all our suppliers and valued customers, especially wholesale and retail. Actually, 2024 is for us very big year. Whatever our vision and mission, Alhamdulillah, we reached. For that one, I am congratulating all our Tobys team in UAE, Saudi Arabia, and China. And in future, 2025, we have a very good vision and mission also. From the support of all our valued customers, we will reach that goals. And finally, I am wishing you all customers and suppliers and all our staff Happy New Year.
Okay, this is Mr. Toby from Tobys Group, and today is last day of 2024, and tomorrow is the new era in 2025, and actually whatever, no matter good or bad, past is past. So we have to keep powerful face to 2025. So in 2024, what we did, and Tobys, what we did, we opened 2 shops in Saudi Arabia, and we make company structures fully ready in Saudi Arabia. And in Dubai side, we open camping showroom, and for products part, we have the most innovation products in our company for Tobys RX line, U series, Tiva series. Okay, this is for the camping products. We have the new ideas, new visions of the future of camping products. So the products part and the company structure part. And number 3, our staff. Our staff is like our brothers, sisters. So we treating them like our heart. We take care of everybody like our heart, and we take care of our customers and suppliers. We're same like our inside people. Inside people. So 2025, we have our dreams. The international situation we're going to, you can see more hard.
Yes.
Okay, the trading war will start after 20 days. Okay, so the international situation will come to very difficult, and the trading war and technology war, and will make the world shaking. So what we think about Tobys, we make our plan, and we focus our plan. We training inside, make strong ourselves. So no matter international situation, how hard is it? So at least we should keep our target and do whatever we can do to finish our target. So this is what I try to give the message to all our suppliers and our customers. And in 2025, we wish you to be ready yourself and to face to the hard and difficult things, and be careful about cash flow, and careful about expansion, and make safe of the company, and make safe of our people inside, and take care everybody around you. Thank you very much. Tobys, wish you Happy New Year 2025. Tobys Professional.